Hi guys, welcome back to my another tutorial, and here comes this tutorial is regarding the slow motion. So I have downloaded two of videos from Vidzi, so you can use it. It's a free website where you can download free stock videos. So I have downloaded two videos. Now I will make an slow motion. This is how the final output comes. Wow, I did it. Okay, now let's see how does it works. Okay, see, this is the original video which actually I downloaded. Now I have imported it into my timeline, which is 1080 resolution and 60 frames per second. And now I have selected the region where it should be in slow-mo. This is the place I have selected. So okay, let's see how does it comes. Oh my god, it's not what we are expecting. We need some professional touches for it. This is not the thing which we are expecting. Now here comes the magic. Sorry, while screen recording it didn't came well on that effect, so I have attached a screenshot here. Go to FX panel, in that video quality, and select optical flow. In some shots the optical flow will not work, so go for frame blending. Now see how is it. See, boom, the magic comes here. Ta-da, ta-da. Now I wish to do again the slow-mo here in this scene. I'll peculiarly pick the scene, so doing the same thing, giving it to slow-mo. You can just use it by command or you can go to the speed panel. Now we see how the output comes. See, they again the same problem, that unprofessional touches. So this is why 5 hours is here. The name is enough. Go to FX panel, video quality, and select optical flow or frame bending. It depends upon the video which you have after the magic. Yeah, see, that's great. This is what we tell slow-mo, ultra slow-mo. Okay, that's it for slow-mo. Now we are finalizing the project. Now we have to do some touches for the video. So next is color grading. In FCPX we can do some good color grading work. So go to FX panel again and choose color and choose color board and drop it, or else you can just find it near the toolbox. So I'm just doing minute changes which will enhance my video. I had made changes in exposure and now I'm doing in saturation. See, the complete color of the video has been changed. I need some blue color texture in the video, so I'm just going with it. Yeah. Now you can see what happened to it. So what I'm gonna do right now is copying all the attributes of that video, what all the effects I have done to that video. I'll copy it and paste it on another layers, so it won't change. So I'm just copying on that first clip and selecting all of the layers and giving Shift Command V, which will paste all the effects on other clips. So we'll check once how the output has came here. That's great, right? the hair color with the clouds and the grass and the bike and the skin tones of the subject. It's everything we enhance it by just simple color corrections. Once we can check what is before and after the color corrections. See, this is what we call editors as magicians. Okay folks, we'll meet on another video. If you like the video, just do subscribe and like the video and share it to your friends who are in need. Thank you.